2-bed, 1-bath apartment for sale in Carrasquilla, Panama City, Panama. Getting to the apartment is easy and convenient. The property is located off Via España on a dead-end street. There is a security gate at PH Residencial del Parque. This top-floor apartment for sale. This unit offers ideal proximity to the iconic Parque Omar. The roof of the apartment has recently been weatherproofed and painted. A great feature of this property is that it offers direct access to Parque Omar. Come and see this nice apartment. This is the living room. Kitchen and laundry area. Spacious master bedroom. Bathroom. Second bedroom. The apartment has a nice balcony. Contact us today at 507-699-88872 to schedule a visit.